guys! Hello everybody! I miss you all guys. I'm here again, once again. I'm your reactor here. My name is Jayson and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jayrodix TV. How are you guys? I hope all of you are in a good situation guys. So, stay tuned to my channel because today we're going to react the chapter 2 of my reaction video before. Yes, this is the PUKOK-NAOWA chapter 2. So, if you are not if you did not watch the my part 1 of this reaction video, I will put my reaction video link in my description so that you can watch this chapter 1. So today we're going to react the chapter 2, THANG CHAINABA, PUKOK-NAOWA chapter 2, Manipur, Kangleipak, Northeast India. Wow, this is so good. It's like a movie guys. You can learn here some tricks or martial tricks guys. Alright, are you ready? Are you excited? I'm always excited guys every time that I react here in front of you. So before we start, you know what I mean. For those new to my channel, please help me to get the 6,000 subscribers guys, and help me to grow my channel. All right, so that I have motivation guys to continue this reaction video. Even though I'm not so good to speak in English, I will try all my best guys. All right guys, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my reaction video like this. Let's go, let's start. Oh, Kanglei martial tricks. Oh, what sounds effect guys. I like the sounds effect of this. Whew. Wow. 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 Ah. Guys, don't try this at home. Wow, excellent performance. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Woo. Wow. My God. Very high level performance guys. This look like a true. Woo! Oh goodness. Oh. Oh. We lose. Oh no. Oh. He doesn't have an armor, guys. Alright, go! Ow! Woo! My goodness. Wow. Ha! Wow! Oh, look at that! Wow! Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. Oh. Ah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Imagine that, guys. It's look like I'm watching a true movie, guys. Yeah. That was so very high performance, high level performance. It's like Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan fighting each other, guys. Okay, so I just want to say, or I just wanna say this, guys. I think these two guys here, who the one who perform these martial art tricks, there are Meitei tribe. So Meitei tribe belongs also to Manipur, right? Manipur state. Just correct me, guys. And that's it, guys. I think there's several tribe in Manipur. I don't know how many tribe there are, but I think there are most 10 or 8 tribe in Manipur. I'm not sure, but some of my friends there in Manipur, they said that there are many tribe in Manipur, Northeast India. So what do you think about these martial art tricks, guys? Very excellent performance, and I like it so much to watch it, and I'm so afraid to watch it, guys, because I'm not so addicted this kind of a movie or video, but very nice to watch it, especially for those watching right now, guys, that their favorite is to, very action movie. So I will recommend this to watch this, because you can learn some tricks here. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, for having me here, thank you so much again, guys, for having me here until the end of this martial art tricks video of Manipur, Kangleipak, Northeast India. So please watch this, guys, because this is very important to you also. You can learn some tricks, especially those who wants to learn some karate, taekwondo, or kickboxing, like that. I just want to recommend this to watch it. Okay, so thank you so much again, guys. I love you all, and see you on my next reaction video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Remember, my 6K subscribers, guys, help me. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all, and see you in my next reaction video. I love you all, guys. Mwah.